Hi, I'm Kate with For the Love, and today I'm going to teach you about the long O sound in our Learning to Read program. We've already learned that O can make the long O sound in open syllables. We'll review by looking at some words where O is making the long O sound in words. Point to the letter making the O sound in each word. Ocean, frozen, pony. Great. The VCE syllable can also make the O sound. Remember, the O is saying O and the E is silent. Point to the letters making the O sound in each word as I read them. Mole, rope, globe. Great. OA can also make the long O sound in the beginning or middle of a syllable. As I read the words, point to the letters making the O sound. Boat, toad, soap. Great. OE can also make the long O sound in the middle or the end of a syllable. This is not a super common spelling of the long O sound. As I read the words, point to the letters making the O sound. Toes, backhoe, dough. Great. OW can also make the long O sound. As I read the words, point to the letters making the long O sound. Snow, window, shadow. Great. OU can also make the long O sound, but this is not the most common sound of OU. As I read the words, point to the letters making the long O sound. Shoulder, dough. Notice in dough, the GH is silent. We also have something called old wild words. We call them old wild words because the letter O and the letter I are the ones that are breaking rules in these words. As I read these words, I want you to point to the letter making the long O sound and notice how it is a rule breaker. Comb, stroll. Great. Now I'm going to show you some letters and I want you to say the sound they are making. I will give you about 2 seconds to say each sound and then I will say the sound so you can check your work. O, oat, O, 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 R, R, A, A, A. Great. Now I'm going to show you some words. I'll give you about 5 seconds to read each word, and then I will read the words so you can check your work. Oat, toe, snow, hope, open. Great job. You can practice with this video as many times as you need to master this sound. For more reading resources, go to www.teachingforthelove.com.